Hey guys, so today we're making a shaker for my camera album. So I have already showed you the bare bones and how I put my camera together. So I've already cut my foam using some circle dies and that. And then once I have fixed my foam circles to where I want them to be, I'm actually going to be filling them with this sequin mix that I've made. This is the one that I've used before, but I'm actually going to be adding in some lovely green to pick out the green in the houses. I think that will actually give it a really nice lift, and I really like the sequin mix that I've put together. Loving the green now that has been added in. I was going to add in some of these ones in the container at the top, but I don't think it needs it. I'm just liking the way that it's looking right now, so I'm going to be adding that now to the center of my cutout piece for the camera. So I'm going to be pouring that in. So you don't need to have a particular die to make shakers. You could just, as I've done here, use the varying size circles or squares, whatever you have. You can even use a die that only has one piece, like a shell, and then you'd cut that out of foam, and then you would stick that onto some backing card of your choice, and then add your sequins and finish it off in the same way that we're going to be finishing off this camera die. So right now I'm actually going to be adding on the glue. So you would add the glue of your choice to fix your acetate. So your acetate should be the larger circle or square that you have cut, just so that it fits neatly over the edge. You'd place that on, and then you would also cut out the same shape as the foam that you've cut out. You'd cut that out of some pattern paper, and that will be your topper, which I am actually going to be sticking on right now. So once that's stuck on, that will be your shaker complete. So once you're giving that a bit of time to dry, and there you go, one shaker completed. The only thing that I need to do now, I'll add some lovely ephemera, and that will be a job completed. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.